Hey guys, wanna know how to upload an image in Ghibli Art AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in ghibliart.ai. Now once you've done that, you should be directed to its official website. Now on the top right corner, you should see your profile. If you don't, make sure you are signed in. Now just simply go to dashboard or you can click try it for free. The choice is yours. Now once you've done that, in order to upload an image, you can just simply go to upload an image that is located on the left side right here. Just simply click on it. Now go to your computer and then select any image that you like. And once you've uploaded your image, you can see its preview right here. Now you can simply convert it into Ghibli art by writing a prompt. You can also use some example prompt and simply press on generate Ghibli image. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.